And I thought to myself, she didn't see me. She's not going to stop, and she's going to keep going and run me over and kill me. That's what went through my head.
Traumatic brain injury cases can be difficult. And the reason they can be difficult is because it's sort of a hidden injury that no one can see just looking at you. The other thing that you have to realize in terms of the key of handling these brain injury cases is the attorney has to be able to explain that to a jury, both through witnesses, but also through the right medical testimony and the right medical testing. We as a law firm understand and recognize what the symptoms of a brain injury are.
My mom, on her way to work, car turns left in front of her. She T-bones them. And then after that, she also hits the curb. It was a sight to see, and I was scared for her. I needed some help and reached out to another lawyer that worked with Scott, and that's how I got introduced to this firm. I'm glad that I got to know him, and I'm glad that he helped me with the situation and with my mom.
I was crossing the street after I got off work one day, and a young girl turned right on red, and when she hit me, I kind of went airborne, and the concussion was quite bad. My symptoms got worse as time went on. But Alan actually referred me to Hanson House. The next day I called and went to one of their meetings right away. Just immediately, I knew that's exactly what I needed.
Tittle and Perlmuter knew the places to go, the proper steps to take. They looked at my mom as an individual and wanted her life to become somewhat better and livable after the incident instead of a paycheck.
They have experience with traumatic brain injuries. You're going to get a better result, a better outcome when it comes to your case.
If you call Tittle and Perlmuter and have suffered a traumatic brain injury, what I can promise you is we're going to recognize and know how to deal with someone with a brain injury, get them to the right doctors, find the right medical testimony to be able to go to a jury and tell your story.